Hi everyone, I'm Yuto and today on Saturday I'm going to show you a quick and easy omelette style dish called Tonpeiyaki. We'll start with the sauce, so grab a bowl and add half tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of honey and half teaspoon of soy sauce. This is essentially an easy okonomiyaki sauce, so if you already have okonomiyaki sauce at home, you can use that instead. Next, let's prepare the mixture for the omelette. All you need is 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. Then whisk until smooth. We don't need to season it because we'll be drizzling it with sauce at the end. Set this by the stove and let's cook our fillings. Heat a pan on medium and add a drizzle of oil. Add 50 grams of shredded cabbage and a sprinkle of chopped green onions. Add a pinch of salt and pepper and stir fry for a minute or so until slightly softened. Transfer them to a plate and add 100 grams of thinly sliced pork belly. If you can't get pork belly like this, unsmoked bacon is a good substitute. As you can see, the ingredients for this dish are similar to okonomiyaki. It's basically an easy shortcut version of okonomiyaki. Once it's crispy on both sides, transfer to a plate and wipe the excess oil out of the pan. Reduce the heat to medium-low and add the egg mixture. Swirl the pan around a few times to help make the omelette fluffy. Then once the edges start to set, add the filling down in the middle. Omelettes cook very quickly, so you need to add the fillings before it's fully cooked. Once the omelette is about 80% cooked, carefully fold over the edges. Don't worry if it breaks a bit, this will be hidden underneath anyway. Finally, flip onto a plate. If you're not happy with the shape, you can reshape it with plastic wrap or kitchen paper. Drizzle with the easy okonomiyaki sauce. Then add mayonnaise and a sprinkle of aonori. And that's it, easy and delicious Tonpeiyaki in just 10 minutes. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to know more about this dish, all the information is available on my blog. I've put the link on the screen. You can also find more similar recipe videos in my quick and easy Japanese recipes playlist on the screen. Hope to see you in the next video. Take care.